Oh, wow. That's a cute look. I kind of like that. $3,100. So $150 a month. I really like this one. Really like this one. $130 a month. I wonder if we could pull this off. $130 a month. I really like that one. It's cute. A tin roof. I don't know how much this one is. I like this little deck. Oh yeah, this is a lot more. A lot more, but this would be nice to have. Hell, we can make this like a little house for right now. I really like these. I really like these little ones. But I want to be able, oh yes, this is so cute. For my storage. Yes, this is what we need. We can put the right lawnmower in here and I can put all my storage. Sure can. This is so cute. And this would be like my little greenhouse too. And this would be great for storage. And oh my god, yes, I want this one. This is the one I want. $200 a month is what we would be paying. Blue roof I don't like at all. Don't like the blue roof. This one here is metal. I don't know if we would want something like this or not. Yeah, I don't like the metal. I don't know how much this one's a month, but I kind of like the little barn look, but it's $130 some a month. I need storage for, and it's $5,000, but I just don't like the blue roof at all. Well, this one's cute, but I don't like the barn theme. No, this one's cute. It's not what I want. I like this one right here. This little one right here is so cute. And I could stain it. Maybe we can get a different roof on it. I don't know. I don't like that blue. Which Glenn likes blue, so he would like that. Maybe if I can get it to say, hey, get rid of the blue roof, he'd be all for that. That's a pretty good size for $130 a month. I can't get over that one. I think that's the cutest one. And it's like a little barn. Look at this one. Now this is cute too, but I just don't like the blue roof that they're putting on them. I do like the sideways because I want to put it sideways on that lady next door, so I don't have to look at her. And I think I've got to stain this, which I'll get stained and stain it how I want to. Misa, what are you doing? Eating grass? Leaves? Cute fall picture. Misa Moo Moo! Misa Moo Moo! Give me kisses! Give me kisses! Look! Look! Dog has an obsession with leaves. Misa? 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 What are you getting leaves for? Misa? Misa? Misa, drop it! Misa! 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 You all quit eating those leaves. Are you shaking cold? Stop it! I go, you're gonna run. Hey! Come back here. Stop it.
He decided he didn't want it down there no more. I'll have somebody ask me what he's doing. He just don't want it down there. He's moving it.
Let's see what's over here.
Like the land. Maybe they have problems.
He was laying in his field, bud.
Who is it?
I don't know. It's scary, ain't it?
He's losing one to take
He's
off.
losing out. Not with that. Well, maybe it's
Yeah, he is.
He's going down, y'all.
oh, he's going down.
Oh, shit. He is. He's laying right in the middle of the highway. There's been a wreck here.
No, they do that when there's wrecks. They land them.
There's a wreck here, y'all.
Oh, Jerry. Well, what would that have to do with it?
Call it what it is?
a school, and they got police training and all that over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They do, really.
Nice done it. It's demolished now. Say demolished.
Jump up and down like you.
Sarah, it's demolished.
Jump up and down like you crushed it.
Like if you're working crushed. I don't know. Just say he lost his mind. He tore everything down.
I ain't worried about it.
Oh, don't worry about it.
I don't worry about that.
Well, Jerry, you had a progress for video.
50. That was the agreement.
I'm telling them the math. How many total quarters is that?
44 and 46. $90.
You got $9 there?
$90 in quarters.
You got some more change there too.
Yeah, I'm about to count that next.
Well, you get your car there, you gave me one.
You can make one payment.
Where's one payment? You make one payment on what?
$3,000.
That's a pretty notebook you're putting that on.
Oh, is it?
It is raining hardcore here, and Mr. Gray just ran inside his little doghouse. Like I'm in there laying. I'm so happy he's using it. Oh, happy Halloween, guys. It is Halloween. And we are walking down to the property because it's flooded, and we gotta see why it's flooding because we put new culverts in, and apparently it's not helped. Glenn says it's because of the flash flood and the water didn't have no time to drain and it's going to recede, so I don't know. But I'm going down there to look now. So rainy old October Halloween day. Oh, the rain's coming back. We gotta make it to the truck. Me and Glenn finally got us another truck, and you can see it right there. It is corner. Anyway, I want to show you guys all this flooding. I'm sure it's gonna get worse as time goes on. That's a little bit there. Like I said, today is Halloween. You can see it's flooding down here. I really want to move the truck. Yeah, you can see it's draining out. Got a lot of water. Lots of water. Oh yeah, tons of water. Look at that, just trickle down. So yeah, here's our road. It's not nearly as bad as it used to be. Not nearly as bad as it used to be. I need to move this truck though. I don't know how to move it back up in there. So I don't want to take a risk of it flooding. Oh man, water. Yeah, I wear flip-flops. Don't judge me. I want to hurry up and get down here. Hey, look, Sierra down. Let her go pee-pee. As you can see, it's not too bad. Here's our hot mess of a work truck Glenn got. And here's the inside of it. It is 4-door. Well, Cece, don't get it dirty now, Cece. Don't you dare get dirty. That's the redneck version of the windshield wipers. And yeah, it is rusted, as you can see. It's falling apart. But it'll be okay. Not too bad. Here's a CC. just a run. Did you see my picture? This was all underwater a while ago. This was all underwater.
Really?
You seen that picture? It ain't nothing like it is now.
Right here's the problem. I gotta get this thing out of here.
I just figured you'd want to know that all this was underwater bad.
Yeah.
I looked out the window and I said, oh my God. That could have caused it, couldn't it?
Yeah. Clogged up.
Look at that.
Put that there to catch that shit.
It's going out quick now, though. But I don't know how well that's going to be. Because look at it over here now. It's just laying over here.
I made a dam right here.
Yeah. Unless you got it's been clogged up. Look at all this. Oh, that's another thing here. It's clogged up here. It's clogged up over here too. Oh my God, I opened my umbrella. Look at all these stink bugs that was inside my umbrella. Look at this. It was all inside of it. Wow. They're even up there. Are you playing in mud puddles? Hey, come here. What you doing in the mud puddles? You're a potty. You're a potty. Go ahead, potty. Oh, good girl. I'm trying to potty train before I get a new house. Good girl. Good girl. I ain't gonna let y'all watch her sit there and potty, but yeah. Oh. You were getting underneath the umbrella. You were getting underneath the umbrella. You were getting underneath of it. Cece! Oh my goodness, this wind's so strong. It's gonna take my umbrella. Oh yeah, it's went down a lot. Went down a lot. Only problem is over here now. In there, baby. Sierra, I need you to get over here. Oh. Okay, so Sierra, I know you're hurting me. I'm gonna drop you. This is Halloween, and look at how gloomy and nasty it looks. Yeah, that tree, look at it, it's rotted. How How come all those trees look... Yeah, you did. Why does all those trees look dead?
It might be.
They do, don't they? Down there's for sure gonna fall. Horrible. Halloween weather.
Like that.
Huh. Deers are gonna come down here and eat them and knock all that over. Put it in his pocket, yeah. Jerry, you can't do that. That looks like it's something else. Jerry, you can't do that.
Patricia, what's that? What's he doing? Like some bogging? There's kids up here.
Jerry.
Patricia, come on now.
Let me see what he's doing.
Let me see, dude.
Oh, that well, it's funny, but
You gonna post it?
It don't matter. I don't care.
oh my God.
That ain't that bad, look. So decorate.
This has been the top one.
Mr. Gray.
Stand up there with it. Come on, Jerry.
Come on, Mr. Gray. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, kick. Come on, kick. Here, Mr. Gray. Here, Mr. Gray.
Gosh. Okay. Mr. Gray. Hey. Woo, 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 woo. He didn't do it. Come on. Kiki. I got it.
Yeah, when he scratch you, you're beat up.
goodness. I can't talk. Mr. Gray, there's deer out here eating. Oh my God, there's a whole family down there. Oh my goodness, hold on. You hear that noise? They're making noise. Why are they making those noises? Are they communicating, letting one another know that I'm out here? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Mr. Gray, you just sitting here chilling like, huh, what's going on? What's your deal? What's your deal? What's your fetish? This looks like a hot mess. I've been taking all the decorations down, kind of, and like moving them up here. Took a cornstalk down so Jerry can cover his banana trees with them, and it's put too much pressure on that pole there. And as you see, I have corn up here for the deer, and they've already started eating on it. I need to get it away from the road because I'm afraid somebody's going to hit them, somebody's going to shoot them, and I probably need to take them up on a hill away from the road here, but I'm going to go ahead and do that later. Here's my decorations so far. I do like to decorate for Thanksgiving. Now that Halloween's over, it's not really much of a difference in my decorations because I really don't decorate too much for Halloween, but when I have kids I probably will. Right now I just kind of do all the fall vibes until after Thanksgiving, then I do Christmas vibes.